Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be sauteing some beef and vegetables with some steamed rice. So come on with me, guys. Now, I started out by putting some olive oil in this pan, and I would say somewhere about a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half. Then we're going to go ahead and slice this onion. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, the host of Quick and Easy Meals is myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, or my main channel, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Then we have Jennifer at Home, Jean Home Decor and More, and Debbie Bubbles. Occasionally, we do have joining us my Mountain Home and Kitchen. Now I decided to go ahead and cut these in rounds. So we're just going to go ahead and pop them in there, and we're going to start by sauteing these until they get a little bit clear, and then we'll move on to the next step. So before I decided to go ahead and cook these until they were clear, I went ahead and I put the stew beef in here. So we're going to go ahead and use our house seasoning, and that's normally for me salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, or Italian seasoning, or both. And now I'm incorporating the Knorr chicken bouillon powder. So I used a teaspoon of the rice vinegar, and I decided to go ahead and put that in the pan with the beef. Now, I went into the refrigerator and I grabbed some of the vegetables that I had there. I needed to use those up because we're not wasting anything. Now I went into the cabinet and I decided to go ahead and add some hoisin sauce, and we're sauteing. Now I'm also adding some sesame oil. So I guess I use like a tablespoon of the hoisin, and then I use probably a teaspoon of the sesame oil. Now these are all flavors that I love, so we're going to finish sauteing this, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover it until that beef is tender. Now I have some corn that I had in the refrigerator, so I went ahead and added that in there, and I also had some broccoli. So that's what's going in. I already had some white rice that I had steamed on the side there to the right. So it's just basically waiting for this dish to go ahead and cook enough for me. And then we're going to go ahead and serve this, guys. And it smells amazing. So I put a scoop of that white rice on the plate, and now we're going to go ahead and add the beef dish that I made, which is really just beef and some vegetables, and whatever vegetables you have are perfectly fine. And then we're going to head on over to the review. So now this dish looks absolutely amazing. Let's head on over to the review. It looks so yummy. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.